What's happening, y'all? It's Richec. We back with another episode. This is What We Buildin. Okay, what we doing this time is not so much building something, but we fixing my fountain. In the studio here, I got LED lights around my desk, around this sign, in my ceiling pieces, and around my fountain. Until a few days ago, it's a waterproof strip around there, and after 3 years, that one's done now. So what I'm about to do is replace that one with a new kit. It's the kit I got off of Amazon. It actually has something a little different. My other kit didn't react to music at all, and this one reacts to music, so I'm thinking about plugging that up in this right now, because I could just connect the strip into the rest of the system like it had been, but we'll see. So first, I'm gonna have to take all of these wood pieces off so I can get to the strip, and then I can pull the whole strip off. So, whatever beat is kinda quietly playing below my voice right now is about to get a little bit louder while this fast forwards while I take these pieces off. And I'm super tired right now, by the way. I'm just trying to really get this video done and stick to the script, so let's get it. So, I guess I don't have to stay silent the whole video. I'm just putting the strip light back on there, and I'm really trying to follow the same pattern coming around the whole fountain. If you're wondering why I left this piece right there, it's just gonna make it a whole lot faster putting the rest of the pieces on, because it's already pre-lined up with everything. And it's real easy to just go up under this part right here when we get there. So, now that I'm at this spot, the wise thing would be to put the lid back on, because that's going to give me more protection just in case the whole reel were to fall in the water when I'm putting the rest of it around there. So let me throw that back on there and not trip over the drill. We're going to see how this adhesive on this one works. But as you've seen, I had some other tape holding it up, some electrical tape holding it up, because it kept falling at a time, and I had super glued it, and it didn't work out too good because the adhesives kind of clashed. So we're gonna see what this will do right here. This is the most important side of this fountain. because with this big patch being right here and being so close to the actual piping where the water falls, it splashes some of the time. So this is where the strip light can get hit with water. So I want to make sure it's pushed down the best on this side. So this might take me a little bit longer than the other part. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna just cut this off real quick and I'm gonna put them pieces back on. Y'all don't have to watch me do that because y'all seen me take them off. But yeah, this is pretty much this kit hooked into my kit that I have right now. I'm gonna play with the music stuff in just a second though. Alright, so here we are. We back in action finally, man. Got the fountain together. As you see, it's all the way together with the musical lighting and everything. And if you talk loud enough, it'll even go with your voice. So check this Richec out.
Hi.
Yeah.
Y'all don't drop the hits to get your mind right. I do. New beginnings, freshness to make your world pop. Y'all don't drop the shit to get your mind right. I do.
And then when you pause it, it stops. So I just wanted to get that together, man. This is my 7-foot fountain in my studio. It's a piece that was real important to me when I put this space together 3 years ago. I wanted something different. And I loved it, man. If I could do anything different though, the difficult part was getting these rocks to actually stay in place and stay in place long term. So if y'all like to see a build video of that, because I still have all of that old footage, if y'all like to see a build video of that, let me know in the comments, man. But like I said, we back in action. We're ready to keep these videos rolling. And till tomorrow, this has been What We Building. In this case, What We Fixing. And till tomorrow, it's Richec.